Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a custom sticker on Snapchat. So after you open Snapchat and then you take a picture and then you press the scissor icon on the right, and then so once you press it you can just outline an object with your finger to make a sticker. So for example, I want to make a sticker of that writing. So after I outline it, it will straight away become a sticker. So you can zoom in or zoom out, or you can also move it around and put it wherever you want. So another example is, so press the scissor icon and then you make an outline again. For example, I want to make a sticker of this remote. So just outline it. You don't even have to fill in your the thing that you select. So there you go. I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.